Hi there, I'm Brienne with KitchenAid. I love to cook, but not the cleanup that goes along with it. That's why I'm so excited to show you this dishwasher from KitchenAid. Its flexible loading possibilities and cleaning options are designed to keep up with whatever you cook up. Let's open it up and take a look. What really sets this dishwasher apart is the new FreeFlex third rack. It's the largest third rack available. These deep angles let you load glasses, mugs, and even prep bowls. And it's the only third rack with rotating wash jets that circulate water in and around the dishes, cleaning items in the rack. There's amazing attention to detail too. You know how glasses sometimes come out with that chalky drip mark on the edge? Well, this side of the rack has a drying bar with tabs designed to help wick water off glasses during the dry cycle. They think of everything. The removable utensil tray here comes in handy for all those little tools you don't want to wash by hand after dinner. Spatulas, mixer beaters, measuring cups, silverware. Being able to fit so much up here frees up extra space in the racks below. Plus, you're able to adjust this middle rack up or down depending on what else you might need to load. Look, a KitchenAid stand mixer bowl fits easily. And these stemware holders secure your wine glasses so they don't get jostled around during the wash cycle. Load it all in at once from prep to party. These racks slide so easily even when fully loaded. Both the middle rack and the full height lower rack have adjustable rows, so you're able to make room for serving bowls and other awkward dishes. And you're still left with plenty of space for plates, platters, and other tall items. You can even fit a blender jar in here. Clearly, this dishwasher can fit a lot of dishes. Now let me tell you about how it cleans. The filter here in the bottom is part of the advanced clean water wash system. It uses microfiltration to continuously remove food during the wash and rinse cycles and circulate clean water to dishes in all three racks. That way, you can load your messiest pots and pans with glasses and other not so dirty items and know everything will come out clean. And the filter itself needs no routine maintenance. Let's look at a few go-to settings. This is the Pro Wash cycle. It senses the level of cleaning needed and adapts to what you're washing. This is a huge help if you're the type of cook who's always cleaning up after something different. Baking days, weeknight meals, dinner parties. Don't think about it, just select Pro Wash and hit start. Over here is the Pro Dry option. It activates a heater and a fan to give dishes a thorough dry, so they come out ready to be used again. And the cleaning is so quiet, you can run the dishwasher during dessert, instead of waiting until your guests have gone. And you can choose a style that works for your kitchen. This one is stainless steel with print shield finish that resists smudges and fingerprints. It has a textured towel bar handle. It's also available in black stainless steel with print shield finish. Or if you prefer a sleek look, both finishes are available with a pocket handle design, which complements a variety of kitchen styles. If you're a maker like me and love to cook but not to clean, this amazing dishwasher from KitchenAid will quickly become your favorite kitchen assistant.
Because no two meals, or the dishes that result, are exactly the same. Choose the KitchenAid Pro Wash cycle to let the dishwasher automatically determine the best cleaning settings. It uses sensors to measure soil levels throughout the cycle and adapts wash time and water temperature as needed for tough messes or lighter loads. All you have to decide is what to make next.